Now I've hung enough shells, pictures, you name it, to know that there's two types of levels out there. One that you see and one that your wife sees. And with this little instrument, we're gonna tackle the second one to make sure that what this sees is exactly what your wife sees. This is a very powerful self-leveling laser system, right? It's gonna give you 100 inches of level on each side. So think, if you're a DIYer and you're hanging multiple picture frames, how easy is that gonna be? If you're a construction worker and you're hanging cabinets, how easy is that gonna be? So whether you're a DIYer or a professional, this little gadget is probably something that you should have in your arsenal at all times. Why? Because it packs up really nice and compact, and it's gonna save you a lot of time, headache, and yeah, possibly your marriage. Let's first take a look at how cool this thing is right here. The first thing that you're gonna notice right out of the gate is that you have a battery. So this is completely wireless. You don't have to plug it in to charge it, and you actually get two batteries. So if you ever run out of 12 hours of runtime on one battery, you forget to charge it, you just pop this one in, you get another 12 hours. So that should be plenty of time for those long weekend jobs that you need if you're hanging stuff. Plus these batteries are ridiculously easy to charge with them being USB-C. I think everybody has USB-C nowadays, so that's not a thing. The other accessories, since we're talking accessories here, let me just talk about the other accessories that come with this kit as well. So you're actually going to get a target plate right here, so you can make sure that if you need to calibrate the laser, if you ever need to self-calibrate it, you can do it just like that. Now this is a magnet, or it clips onto a surface, or a magnet. So you got a magnet right here, or it clips onto any surface, any flat surface, in order to get your calibration on. There are a few more accessories, and one of them is super cool. Right here, you're gonna get another stand. So if you don't wanna use this stand right here, you're gonna get this, and it's magnetized, and you can just slap that anywhere, put your level on here, and you are good to go. With a self-leveling apparatus, it's gonna level itself as long as the degrees are not greater than 3 degrees. So if you eyeball it and you're like, hey, that's level, let the level do the level of the leveling, if you know what I mean. Now, the other thing that's really cool is you're gonna get some extension rods right here. This extension rod is going to be a lifesaver for when you're doing molding or anything that's really high up. When you're hanging things that are super high up, you're going to be able to put this in there. Now it is really high, but the cool thing about these poles is that they come numbered. You can see right here it says 2, 3, 4, and the last one 5 right there. So you get 5 of these poles, and you put them in order so that you can actually start to use these ruler. Now you got millimeters on this side and inches on the other side. So whatever unit of measurement that you need, from millimeters or centimeters to inches, you got that right on this pole. So you know what height that you want to do, so you don't have to keep continuing measuring. And then the last attachment that I'm going to show you is super cool. You got the power of this leveler right here and a remote control. Now, if you don't want to use the remote control, you have all the settings right here. All the settings are right here manually, but the remote control is if you're gonna be up high. You can turn it on and you can turn it off. If this thing is gonna stay stationary up really high where you don't need to touch it, you can turn it on and turn it off from that. And you can also set the angle if you're far away from this unit. Say, think you're on a scaffolding and this unit is far away. This remote is gonna come in super, super handy. Now this, my friend, is really awesome right here. Let me bring you into this really quick, because this is one of my favorite parts. This is super, super easy and glidey. So if I needed to just come right down here at the 4th inch mark, I can lock it in. Now, once I have that locked in, you have a couple different things right here. You can micro adjust that and say, you know what? I want it down just a little bit. So this is where your wife comes in. Do you like it there? Do you like it here? Do you like it down here? Do you like it up here? And you go, well, you know what? Why don't you just press and raise and lower that? And then when she finally decides, oh, I like it there, you twist this one, lock it in, problem solved, marriage solved, vacation time. Isn't that cool? Isn't that awesome? And then once you get that locked in, it'll stay there, right there, in case somebody accidentally comes around and says, you know what? No, I like it here. Nope, it's already locked in. The wife locked it in, can't change it, right? So now that it's locked in, the fun part happens. We're gonna go ahead and turn this on, and yeah, I'm gonna use the remote, even though the buttons are right here. You just press and hold that and make sure it's powered on first. All right, that beeping noise that you hear right there, that is the unit self-leveling. Now it's having a hard time just because it's windy out here, so maybe we'll go inside and do this. So after you get your adjustment levels in, and you saw it right here, it kind of wobbles and you don't want that to wobble. So right here is your ceiling plate. Now, obviously you don't have a ceiling on outside, but I got this level because we're gonna be hanging some cabinets in there. We're gonna be doing a lot of that. And so I wanted to do it the right way, the simple way, the easy way, right? I actually wanted to show you the height. So you just take this off really quick. Everything is super glidey and awesome. And it just goes on and off really fast. Look at that. That is how tall that this thing will go. The trailer that we're working on here is roughly about 13 feet. So you can see that is going above and beyond that. And that is a super level right there. You can see all that, and then you can raise and lower it, so no matter the height. Now this level is gonna excel on the interior, not exterior, although you can do it. I wouldn't recommend it on a windy day. If you are gonna do it on a windy day, I'd probably secure this down. So this level right here needs to be tight and secure so that it is level and it's not moving, not bouncing around. You don't want that. It's gonna make your life a headache. So this is built for indoor use, or really secured and stable. If you are working on outdoor use, you're like a deck where you're building a deck or something like that, you could do that as well. All right, so next up, we're gonna go inside and actually turn it on, get the measurements that we need and get it level. All right, I'm actually inside the job that we're gonna be doing right here. We're gonna be hanging some shelves, installing some shower lines and all that. And right here, you can see that we have this securely mounted to the ceiling all the way down to the floor. So this guy is gonna be completely level, completely movable. So we just need to get our measurements and then we turn this on. And let's say you're gonna hang things at this height level. I'm just gonna give you an example. Let's just say we need to get a level line across here for anything that we wanna hang. So now that we have that line, that level that's drawn, let me show you this. It goes all the way around from corner to corner and keeps going. So isn't that cool? It is awesome. And it's super visible. And let's just say that this tripod gets knocked or gets rocked or whatever, that line is going to auto level it every single time. So you just wait until it's solid, because we're in a trailer. All right, now you got a solid line, you got a horizontal line. Let's say you want a vertical line on this wall right here, you just press that. Let's say you want a vertical line on this wall, you press it twice. Now you have a horizontal and a vertical line intersecting, and now you're like, okay, the stud line is here. This is my hanging line right here. So you can draw a vertical line on the stud line so you know exactly where your studs are. The next thing that you can do is you can add a higher line. So you can just press the H and that brings it just a little bit higher if you want it higher, or you can add two lines right there. So you get two horizontal lines, no, just a vertical line, just one vertical line, one horizontal, higher one, both of them. The other thing that you can change too is you can change the intensity. So you can go high flashing. No, I'm not sure if you want to do that, but you can change it to low intensity to high intensity and back. All right. I really wanted to keep this level, to keep this demonstration of this level as simple and as easy as possible, because at first glance you might be, oh, this is intimidating. And it kind of is sometimes if you've never used it. But honestly, after using it for a little bit, I can't see myself not using it for everything I'm hanging, from a picture to drywall to any jobs that you have out there. You're gonna want this in your arsenal for sure. Now, at the end of the day, is this tool gonna make me a better handyman? No. But it will make my mistakes a lot straighter.